how do you be compassionate when your kid just says, I hope you're figuring out the end of life because don't expect anything from me. It's very difficult to show up for these kids with compassion. And sometimes just in general, other people, it's difficult to show up with compassion when you feel like life just kept beating you up. What's always going on, always, 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 the universe just walked me through this process. Thank you very much. What is always going on is something in them that you can't see. They are in level 1. They are deeply wounded. Their victim is pushing back, is fighting back, is angry, hateful. So the victim, the part that feels so unjust in life, is the part that you're getting met with. Now, it can look like anger, hate, pushing back, but it can also, remember, we're talking about level 2, it can also look like the grandiosity of the ego. Oh, I'm fine. I don't need, my life is great. Yeah, everything is just really fantastic. When I die, everybody's going to hike up Mount Everest to watch my ashes get spread across kingdom come. That is where these kids are. They're either level 1 or level 2. And so when we're scratching our heads and just baffled, disappointed, hurt, sad, missing them, then that's when we're falling into, as level 3, saying, okay, there's something that I'm not seeing and that I'm missing. I'm really upset. That really pushed my button. This person really did it to me. There's something I'm not seeing and I'm missing. I don't know the truth about this person or this situation. The message here is compassion. Okay, so today that's what we're really trying to get to is, if level 3 is all about compassion, how do we do it when everybody's being a butt